Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Advanced Self Round 1. So like Mat1 Self Round 1. Okay, so the first question is, have you worked with Unity AI system? What is the Unity's nav mesh? Right. So yes, I have worked with Unity's AI system. And what is Unity's nav mesh? So nav mesh stands for navigation mesh. Like right. So nav mesh is just like a pathfinding thing for AI, right? So what it does is there is a we need to create nav mesh for our AI or our agent, nav mesh agent to traverse on. Then that agent can traverse, like it can use A star algorithm and find a shortest path so to the destination that we set, right? So and all of the things like rotating towards the destination, then moving towards it, and navigating the mesh carefully, that's the like that's the navigation agent's work. So it finds the shortest way and how we can do create navigation stuff. So like we can use dynamic nav mesh or the old way is static nav mesh. So how it does works is like we mark obstacles like things as nav mesh static, then we bake the nav mesh. So like it will create a navigational mesh itself. Like Unity will calculate a mesh on compile time, right? So like not on compile time, so like when we bake it calculates and creates a mesh. So like there would be polygons and vertices and stuff. So uh, the Navimesh agent will use A star pathfinding algorithm to traverse to the destination, and like it will give you the shortest possible path. So like if there is an obstacle that is not if there is an obstacle in between, so like that won't be included in Navimesh. So like there would be there would be a hole in a Navimesh. So agent will not go through that. It will go around that object too. So like that's the basic Navimesh. Then the second question is, what is raycast? So raycast is nothing but just an invisible ray that gets generated from one point in a particular direction for a certain distance, and then it returns the data if it hits something, right? So like if there is some particular collider and stuff, so it when it hits it, it returns the data that whatever it hit. Right. Then like what we can do, like we can set the starting position, in which direction it should travel. Then how we can set the parameters like how much distance it should travel. Then like how much long it should be. Then there is another thing on which layer it should collide with. So like let's say if I say it should collide with enemy layer, so it will collide with only enemy layer and no other layer. So like we can set many parameters like that. And I guess that's it. That's it. Thank you.